Good morning, Sammy.
Hey, good morning. So this is an awesome grand day.
So you're on your way
So
to the gym?
yes, sir. I try to be like you when I grew up one day. I'm getting there, Peter. I'm getting there. I'm getting there.
Try
You
harder,
know.
man. Try
I can
harder.
never be like you though. I can never be like you, man. I can try my best.
You can do it.
But the question is, should I?
Oh, I see your eyes. Your eyes tell a different story,
I
young
know,
one.
right? Well, like that. Here's one thing that I've noticed. I know, like that. Everything affects one thing to another. Right now, everything is now connected. There's no way that things now are disjointed.
You
The
know
things
what's
are
so
much
weird?
more. Hmm.
Your, I can see your hand, right? And there's this at the outer edge where the sunlight bounces off. It's like energy. It's so weird. It looks later when you see the video again, it looks quite weird. It's like an energy thing that's kind of fluctuates.
Well, it's
I think it's
man. We are more than just human. We are a spirit of energy.
yeah, perhaps. So what's going on? What
But
are you gonna do at
besides
the
you,
gym? You're supposed to give me my routine, and
but
it
besides
didn't
me being
happen.
being transhuman, that you just pointed that out just now,
All right.
with my energy source being behind me.
Yeah, you're leaking. You're leaking. I was trying to tell you, you're leaking.
Let the truth be known, let it be known. But I have I came up with this thing. This is kind of off topic of our music. I mean, it's interconnected, but today we're just going to talk on some other matters.
Like what?
Well, I've been I've been infatuated with this thing of artificial intelligence, and that, let's say Bitcoin, for instance,
Hmm.
right? So right now, Bitcoin itself is like out of reach for the common man now. And for the most part, like the average Joe behind the scenes, want like somebody from the Philippines or something like that, like a helper or something. That's kind of out of reach for them now, for them to have access to that the way that they normally did, because it's so costly. But the other thing to that is that the technology itself, blockchain, is supposed to be this secure uh, way of doing business. Even bankers is taking on the blockchain and project management stuff. I mean, even blockchain on music too as well.
Mm.
But what
I
does it
knew there
say
was a
when
butt coming.
I know, right?
Mm.
Leave my butt alone. Let stop.
That's right.
But like, but the whole thing is just like, what does quantum computing means for all the current security systems of today?
I'm not sure, Not sure. It definitely poses a challenge, right? In terms of
Hmm.
computing power, Bitcoin is the amount of computing power applied to solve a particular algorithm. And if the notion that uh, quantum computing can solve these problems in a fraction of a few seconds or whatnot, shorten the time by uh, leaps and bounds, there is a sense that it could break the code, that you can use it to hack into Bitcoin, right?
Yeah.
Is that possible?
Well, I think it's possible. I mean, the quantum computing would would do its own running diagnostics of having multiple scenarios going on simultaneously. One of the things about quantum computing is like that, uh, it can have about 5, 6 different scenarios going on at the exact same time. So scenario one, scenario two, scenario three, scenario four, you can have like 100 scenarios going on.
Oh man,
How
that's
to
like
crack?
child's play. In the movie Gandhi, no, is it what is that? Where Doctor Strange.
Mm-hmm.
What was that movie? Galaxy? No, it's not Guardian of the Galaxy. It's the other one where they're being destroyed, and Thanos have already taken, and then so Doctor Strange figure out all the various scenarios, millions of scenarios, and he came with the realization there was only one scenario where they would get out of that okay. What is that movie?
I think that's one. That's like the Avengers type of thing,
Yes,
like Marvel.
Avengers. Yeah,
Yeah.
Avengers Endgame. That's right.
Yes. Endgame.
Yeah,
So
I'm fasting this today. You sent me a whole bunch of negative stuff on fasting.
no, that's not negative stuff. It's actually positive stuff.
Is it?
You just have to be careful.